It's all a rumor. I came to eat.
Oh, wow.
Prepared. Yeah, you have to be prepared. You don't get this big not being prepared.
Kevin Belton is a legendary chef in a city of legendary culinary giants, New Orleans. Don't take our word for it. Last year, the American Culinary Federation named Belton as an official legendary culinary legend. Well, the living legend brought his knowledge, engaging personality, and imposing 6'9" frame to Pensacola State College on Friday to visit with culinary students and prepare gumbo for the Pensacola Barn Dance Wine and Food Classic benefiting the WSRE TV Foundation. Belton has also been recognized as one of Louisiana's top 20 chefs by the American Culinary Federation. He's a culinary author and hosts New Orleans Cooking with Kevin Belton and Kevin Belton's New Orleans Celebrations, both on select PBS stations.
Here's the defining moment. Okay? Sugar and cornbread, no sugar and cornbread. Okay? Sugar and tea, no sugar and tea. All right?
Okay.
Grits.
Oh.
Absolutely not.
Not.
Thank you.
Sugar and grits?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
That's what I want to know. But some people put sugar and grits.
Some PSC students worked on their own dishes for the barn dance, while Belton told stories about other legendary chefs and the quest to experiment, like he did recently when he made gumbo lasagna for one of his programs.
Justin was cooking something one day and he said he was doing this. He said, I got to go to the bathroom. Walked off. Now they're in this house. Yeah. No, this was, they were recording. He just walked off. So somebody heard him coming and said, he's coming back, roll camera. Sure enough, he went over to the sink, washed his hands, and went right back and never like, are y'all ready? Just started right back where it was. So they just kept it. So it was, it's funny stories like that happen.
What's your recipe?
Well, yeah, but you made it. You got to put your little love to it.
What's the secret to good gumbo?
Cooking wise is the root. You have to have a good dark root. But the other ingredient, just a lot of love. That's all.
I left it so you could see how dark
Yeah.
You want to see how dark the roux was? Looked like chocolate.
Hey, Chef, thanks for coming to Pensacola, man. Appreciate to have you here.
Thank y'all for having me. Those of you all in school, keep working hard. Stay in school as long as you can. Because out here in the real world, it's tough. So stay in school. Get your double, triple doctorate.